The BMW 3 Series has two types of years: the legendary ones that last forever and the nightmare ones that bankrupt owners. But most buyers have no idea which is which. Using real data from Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and thousands of owner reports on BimmerPost, I'll show you the exact model years you should buy and the years you must avoid at all costs. Make sure to stay till the end, because the final pick is the single most reliable 3 Series BMW has ever built, and most buyers completely overlook it. Starting with the 5 worst BMW 3 Series years to avoid. Number 5. 2012 F3328i. The 2012 F3328i represents the worst of BMW's transition to turbocharged 4-cylinder engines. As the first year of both the new F30 platform and problematic N20 engine, this model combines first-year production issues with one of BMW's most failure-prone power plants. According to Consumer Reports data and extensive BimmerPost documentation, the 2012 model year suffered from numerous early production problems, including software glitches, electrical issues, and build quality inconsistencies that plagued early F30 production. The N20 engine in 2012 models is particularly problematic, suffering from timing chain stretch that has many reported failures in the 60,000 to 100,000 mile range on early cars. The timing chain guides wear prematurely, allowing chain slack that can destroy the engine when the chain jumps timing. Master BMW technicians report that 2012 F30 models require timing chain inspection around 60,000 miles, with replacement often costing $4,000 to $6,000. Many owners discover the problem only after engine damage occurs, requiring complete engine replacement. Independent BMW specialists consistently recommend avoiding 2012 F30 models entirely, as the combination of first-year issues and N20 engine problems creates exceptional reliability risks that make ownership financially dangerous. Number 4. 2007 E9335i. The 2007 E9335i launched BMW's twin-turbo era, but suffers from multiple catastrophic N54 engine problems that make ownership extremely expensive. This first-year model combines new platform issues with among the most problematic modern BMW engines. According to Consumer Reports analysis and BMW technical bulletins, the N54 engine suffers from high-pressure fuel pump failures, fuel injector problems, and severe carbon buildup that requires constant, expensive maintenance throughout its service life. The high-pressure fuel pump fails frequently, causing sudden power loss and potential engine damage. BMW issued multiple recalls, but problems persist with replacement pumps, often failing again within 50,000 miles. The direct injection system causes severe carbon buildup on intake valves that requires walnut shell blasting every 60,000 miles at significant cost. Without this maintenance, the engine develops misfires and reduced power that can damage catalytic converters. Master BMW technicians report that 2007 335i models require constant attention and expensive maintenance that often exceeds the vehicle's value. The combination of fuel system problems and carbon buildup creates ongoing costs that make ownership financially unviable. Number 3. 2014 F3328i. The 2014 F3328i represents the peak of N20 engine problems, with this model year showing among the highest failure rates for timing chain stretch and guide wear. Owner surveys consistently rank 2014 as one of the most problematic N20 years. According to automotive reliability studies and BimmerPost forum data, 2014 N20 engines show accelerated timing chain wear compared to other years, with failures commonly reported between 60,000 to 80,000 miles. rather than the typical 100,000-mile range. The timing chain tensioner design in 2014 models appears particularly prone to failure, allowing excessive chain slack that destroys guides and eventually causes timing chain jump. The repair requires complete engine disassembly and often costs more than the vehicle's value. When timing chains fail, they cause immediate valve and piston damage requiring complete engine replacement. The repair costs can easily reach 5 figures, often totaling vehicles due to excessive repair costs relative to market value. Independent BMW specialists report that 2014 F30 models with N20 engines are among the most failure-prone modern BMWs, according to many shops and owners, making them extremely risky purchases that should be avoided entirely by cost-conscious buyers. Number 2. 2006 E9335i. The 2006 E9335i combines the worst aspects of first-year production with BMW's most unreliable modern engine. This model represents one of the worst combinations of new platform issues and catastrophic engine problems. According to Consumer Reports investigations and master BMW technician reports, 2006 models suffered from numerous early production problems, including electrical issues, software bugs, and build quality problems that weren't resolved until later production years. The N54 engine in 2006 models is particularly problematic, representing the earliest and most unreliable version of BMW's twin-turbo technology. Early N54 engines suffer from more frequent fuel pump failures, injector problems, and turbo wastegate issues. The combination of first-year platform issues and early N54 problems creates a perfect storm of reliability disasters. Owners report constant problems requiring frequent dealer visits and expensive repairs that often exceed annual maintenance budgets. Master BMW technicians consistently rank 2006 335i models as among the least reliable BMWs ever produced, with failure rates and repair costs that make ownership financially devastating for most buyers. Number 1. 1999 E46 323i/328i first year. The 1999 E46 represents one of the worst BMW 3 Series years, combining first-year production problems with the notorious subframe cracking issue and brittle cooling system components that fail catastrophically. According to Consumer Reports data and extensive E46 forum documentation, 1999 models suffered from numerous early production issues, including electrical problems, software glitches, and build quality inconsistencies that plagued the first year of E46 production. The rear subframe cracking issue is particularly severe in early E46 models, with 1999 cars showing among the highest failure rates. When subframes crack, the repair can cost $3,000 to $5,000 and often isn't economically viable on older vehicles. The cooling system uses brittle plastic components that commonly fail around 80,000 to 120,000 miles on original parts, causing immediate overheating that can destroy the engine within minutes. The expansion tank, radiator neck, and thermostat housing all fail predictably. Independent BMW specialists universally recommend avoiding 1999 E46 models due to the combination of subframe issues, cooling system problems, and first-year production quality issues that create exceptional reliability risks and expensive repair bills. Now, for the 5 best BMW 3 Series years to buy. Number 5. 2020 to 2022 G2330i. The G2330i with the B48 engine represents BMW's modern reliability renaissance, consistently rated highly by J.D. Power for initial quality and dependability. This generation addresses many problems that plagued earlier 3 Series models. According to J.D. Power reliability studies and Consumer Reports testing, the G23 series shows dramatic improvement over the F30 generation in electrical system reliability, build quality, and engine durability. The B48 engine eliminates the worst problems of earlier turbo engines and has a much lower issue rate so far, using improved chain guides and tensioners that provide significantly better long-term reliability. The engine also features improved direct injection that reduces carbon buildup. Master BMW technicians report that early G20 models are showing excellent reliability trends, with fewer problems in the first 50,000 miles than any previous 3 Series generation since the E46. Independent BMW specialists consistently recommend the G2330i as the best modern 3 Series choice, combining contemporary technology with significantly improved reliability that makes ownership more predictable and affordable. Number 4. 2016 to 2018 F3340i. The F3340i with the B58 engine represents one of the most reliable modern BMW combinations available. The B58 engine is so respected that Toyota uses a version in the Supra, demonstrating its fundamental engineering excellence. According to Consumer Reports data and extensive BIMR post documentation, the B58 engine is widely considered among the most reliable modern BMW power plants. With excellent strength, efficiency, and relatively few common problems. The late F30 chassis with B58 engine eliminates the early production issues that plagued earlier F30 models while providing the proven B58 reliability. This combination represents the sweet spot of modern BMW engineering. The B58 engine features robust construction with forged internals and conservative tuning that ensures longevity while providing excellent performance. The engine responds well to modifications while maintaining reliability. Master BMW technicians consistently rank the F3340i with B58 engine as among the most reliable modern BMW combinations available, with many examples exceeding 100,000 miles without major issues while providing excellent performance. Number 3. 2015 to 2016 F3328i. While early N20 engines were problematic, late production 2015 to 2016 models received significant improvements, including updated timing chain components around January 2015 that address many early issues, making later engines much less risky. According to automotive reliability studies and BMW technical bulletins, late production N20 engines feature improved timing chain guides and tensioners that significantly reduce the failure rates seen in 2011 to early 2015 builds. The 2015 to 2016 model years also benefit from resolved early F30 production issues, resulting in better build quality and fewer electrical problems compared to 2012 models. Master BMW technicians report that late N20 engines with proper maintenance can provide reliable service, though they still require more attention than naturally aspirated alternatives. Independent BMW specialists recommend late production F3328i models for buyers seeking modern BMW features with acceptable reliability, though the B48 and B58 engines remain superior choices. Number 2, 2011 to 2013 E9328i. The E9328i with the N52 naturally aspirated engine represents the last great naturally aspirated BMW, combining proven reliability with classic BMW driving dynamics that modern turbocharged engines cannot match. According to Consumer Reports and J.D. Power showing better overall reliability scores for these years, while owner forums and BMW specialists identify the N52 as among the safer engine choices. The N52 engine is one of BMW's most over-engineered and reliable engines of the modern era. The naturally aspirated design eliminates the complexity and failure points of turbocharging while providing smooth, reliable power delivery that mechanics universally respect for its durability. The late E90 chassis benefits from years of refinement and resolved early production issues, resulting in excellent build quality and reliability that surpasses both earlier and later generations. Master BMW technicians report that N52 engines are virtually bulletproof when maintained properly, with many examples exceeding 250,000 miles on original internal components while providing classic BMW performance and refinement. Number 1. 2017 F3330i. The 2017 F3330i represents one of the pinnacles of 3 Series reliability, combining the mature F30 platform with the proven B48 engine that eliminates the worst problems of earlier turbocharged BMWs. According to Consumer Reports and J.D. Power showing better overall reliability scores for these years, while owner forums and BMW specialists identify this combination as among the best choices, the 2017 model year represents the sweet spot where BMW resolved most early F30 issues. The B48 engine features robust construction with improved timing chain components, reduced carbon buildup, and excellent long-term reliability that rivals naturally aspirated engines while providing modern efficiency and performance. The 2017 model year benefits from 6 years of F30 platform refinement, resulting in excellent build quality, resolved electrical issues, and mature software that eliminates the bugs that plagued earlier models. Independent BMW specialists universally recommend the 2017 F3330i as among the best 3 Series choices for buyers seeking the perfect balance of reliability, performance, and modern features without the complexity of newer generations. These specific BMW 3 Series years represent the extreme ends of the reliability spectrum, proving that model year selection is critical for successful BMW ownership. The worst years combine first-year production issues with problematic engines, while the best years feature mature platforms and proven power plants. The most important lesson is that BMW reliability depends heavily on specific engine codes and production timing. The B48 and B58 engines represent BMW's reliability renaissance, while the N20, especially 2011 to early 2015 builds, and early N54 engines create financial disasters. Smart buyers choose from the best years and avoid problematic generations entirely, ensuring BMW driving pleasure without catastrophic repair costs. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.